Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at variable names in Python. So a variable can have a short name like x and y, or a descriptive name like age, car name, or total volume. So there are some rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with the letter or underscore. So just remember that in Python a variable name must start with the letter or underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. So you can't start a variable with a number like integer 1, 2, 3. You can't start with a variable name like that. And also a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. So like A to Z, you can use that as a variable, and also underscores or numbers, you can use them in your variables. Variable names are case sensitive, like if you have age in small letters, and if you have age of your first A is in capital and the rest is in small, and the third you have age all in capital. So these are three different variables in Python. And also a variable name cannot be any Python keyword. So there are some Python keywords like and, def, return. You can't use these type of keywords as a Python variable. So let's look at examples. So here are some legal variables that you can use. First you will see that my var combine, and second I have put an underscore between my and var, and after that I started with that underscore first, and after that I used my in small and var the first V is in capital, and after on 8th line my var is totally in capital and my var 2. These are some legal variable examples. So if you want to look at illegal variable names, that are illegal variable names. So if I just uncomment them, and here you will see the errors. VS Code is showing me error because these are not the proper variable names. So this is starting with the number, and as you remember, a variable name cannot start with the number. And this I have used a dash in between my var. This is also an illegal variable, and in that I have not used anything like or not used an underscore. So this is also an illegal variable. So if I use that underscore in between my var, it will going to be as legal variable. So these are some examples of illegal variables. So just comment them. And after that, there are some techniques to use multiple words in your variable names. So camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. So first look at the camel case, where I have that my variable and name. These are three words, three different words. And if I want to follow the camel case technique, I first have to use first word in smaller, and after that each word's first character will be in capital. So variable v is capital and name n is capital. So that is the camel case. And second is Pascal case, where you put all the first letters in capital of all your variable name variable words first characters. So here you will see my m is capital, variable v is capital, and name n is capital. And the third is snake case, where you put underscores in between the words and you use all the words in smaller letters. So that's it guys for this part.